How to make your very own Mr. Krabs costume and not spend a lot of money. First thing you're going to do is get your outfit together. I use some jeans shorts for Mr. Krabs pants, a nice short sleeve blue Oxford shirt for his shirt, add in a black belt, and a one piece red undergarment for your crab skin. And I use boxing gloves because if you look at Mr. Krabs, his claws look like boxing gloves, and the hat. And of course, some bikini bottom cash. When I first received the hat, it had these eyes and these pincers on it that didn't say Mr. Krabs. I needed to alter it in order to get that Mr. Krabs look. Here's how I did it. The first thing I did was remove the old eyes and the pincers from the hat. Then I got some self-adhesive foam from the arts and crafts store. This was about 6 or 7 inches tall, so it will give me the size eyes that I was looking for. Then what I did was I found some Mr. Crab eyes, blew them up until they were about the same size that I needed so I can use them as a template. Then I got out red foam with the self-adhesive back, white, also got out the yellow for his eye color, and then black for his pupils. The next thing I did was glue everything together with the self-adhesive foam, and then take a hot glue gun and stick it to the stalk that I removed the other eye. Last part was use a Sharpie to make it a more cartoon look and outline it, and that's